1/4 teaspoon browning. Dice the vegetable seasonings. For cooking like this, rinse the saltfish under running water. Boil it in some water for 6 to 8 minutes to tenderize it. Remove the skin and debone it. At the same time, break saltfish chunks this size. Before I boiled it, I removed the saltfish skin like this. Put a dry pot on medium fire. Add some cooking oil. Allow it to get hot for a minute. Now, saute the vegetable seasonings like this. Add the saltfish chunks on top. With a cooking spoon, stir in. Sprinkle your making powder seasoning on it. I'm using herbal flakes. Pour 1/4 cup or less water on it. Add 1/4 teaspoon browning and then cover the pot good. Allow it to simmer 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in 1 or 2 tablespoons of ketchup a minute near the end. If cooking, add the diced tomato same time. Stir in and finish. Eat brown stewed saltfish with fried dumplings, fritters, alright then fritters, etc. For the detail, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.